Today, we are going to discuss the topic Adaptations of Animals for Class 9. Animals can adapt themselves according to their habitat. Temperature and light are forms of energy which influence various stages of life activities such as growth, metabolism, reproduction, movement, distribution, and behavior. Animals develop special features or behavior patterns to escape from extreme conditions of temperature and light. Now, let us study about the adaptive features of bat and earthworm. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Mostly, bats live in caves. Apart from caves, bats also live in trees, hollowed logs, and rock crevices. They are extremely important to humans as they reduce insect population and help to pollinate plants. Adaptations of bat in relation to their habitat are explained below. Nocturnality. Bats are active at night. This is a useful adaptation for them as flight requires a lot of energy during day. Their thin black wing membrane may cause excessive heat absorption during the day. This may lead to dehydration. Flight adaptation. Forelimbs are modified serve wings. Tail supports and controls movements during flight. Muscles are well developed and highly powerful and achieve in beating of wings. Tendons of hind limbs provide a tight grasp when the animals are suspended upside down at rest. Hibernation. Hibernation is a state of inactivity in which the body temperature drops with a lowered metabolic rate during winter. Bats are warm blooded animals, but unlike other mammals, they let their internal temperature reduce when they are resting. They go to a state of decreased activity to conserve energy. Echolocation. Bats use a remarkable high frequency system called echolocation. Bats give out high frequency sounds, which means ultrasonic sounds. These sounds are reflected back from its prey and perceived by the ear. Bats use these echoes to locate and identify the prey. Now, let's talk about adaptations of earthworm. It is commonly found in soil, feeding on live and dead organic matter. Earthworm plays a vital role in maintaining soil fertility. It facilitates aeration, water infiltration, and producing organic matter to increase crop growth. Streamlined body. The earthworm has a cylindrical, elongated, and segmented body. This helps them to live in narrow burrows underground and for easy penetration into the soil. Skin. Mucus covers the skin which does not allow soil particles to stick to it. Moist skin helps in oxygenation of blood. Burrowing. Its body is flexible, having circular and longitudinal muscles, which help in movement and subsoil burrowing. Each segment on the lower surface of the body has number of setae. They help the earthworm to move through the soil and provide anchor in the burrows. Estivation. When the soil becomes too hot or dry, earthworms become inactive and undergo a process called estivation. Earthworm moves deeper into the soil. It secretes mucus and lowers their metabolic rate in order to reduce water loss. They remain dormant until conditions become favorable. They come out of their burrow during rainy season. Nocturnality. Earthworms are sensitive to light. It has no eyes but can sense light through light sensitive cells, photoreceptors present in their skin. They react negatively to bright light. That's all about adaptation of animals. Thank you, students.